Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm going to tell you why my rolling pivot plus episodic pivot is elite class indicator. No indicator is present on the community script in the entire world of community script on the trading view. I can challenge that. My rolling pivot and episodic pivot answers three critical questions together. Where did the smart money act? That is episodic pivot. Where will price reacting again? Rolling pivot. See, here price gone up and it started reacting to this. After the fall, losing balance, it is reacting. Rolling pivot retest. When is conviction shifting? Holding. It is holding over here. In this area, it is holding over here above the pivot. Rejection and acceptance. This combination is very, very rare. So, this is the episodic pivot. It is indicating you triggering the high volume, and it is giving you alerts with the bullish EP and bearish EP. The smart money is entering over here. Something is going to cook. Smart money is distributing. Here, when I have applied RSI on the chart, you could have lost money by reading the RSI. See, you are seeing the RSI divergence here, but the price has moved up. You would have lost money. See, divergence you are seeing around 26,176. The market rallied up to 26,232. That too, time wise, it has taken time. If you would have taken position believing the RSI divergence, you would have lost. You would have lost money. Even for the option writers also, it is a deceive. You can clearly see my rolling pivot is telling the episodic pivot is triggering at the top, and the rolling it started coming down. You can see clearly. Clearly, you can see the market coming down, trend shifting, and you could have been in a sell trade. This is before the thing happens, before something is going to cook. Big players, smart money is coming in, and something is that too at the top on with the table. You can see on 24th it has been triggered 26,217, and bearish and bullish EP has been triggered. That is through options. Both the call writers and put writers were active. Then it indicated something. It indicated something, and the final message we got from the with conviction we are going to take the trade of sell position in with the help of the rolling pivot. Rolling pivot so beautifully. If you would have sold 26,200 or 300 call option, then in the money call option, even in the money call option, 25,800 call option, let me take you there. If you would have written, I think this one is the 25,800. Let me go there, 26,000. No, I'm not saying there. Let me take you to the 25,800 call option, deep in the money. Nobody would have thought deep in the money call option will lose it. You can see option 455, it has been triggered. But the divergence as shown here itself, around 431. And later market, as if you would have sold, you wouldn't have held the position. Or if you would have bought, you wouldn't have held the position. That's the thing. The beauty is after triggering of episodic pivot, the presence of smart money indication, if you would have gone short, you can see the appreciation over here. Appreciation from 400, and suppose this is the level you are going to go short around 451. The market rallied up to 400 and 476. 476 with conviction. If you would have shorted over here, return call, and how much money you could have captured. 208 points for one lot. Hedging with one lot, you cannot trust this. RSI is oversold. It is below 29 level, and there is crossover. I tried many things. Finally, I found this. I created this indicator, rolling pivot, and the episodic pivot, entirely related to my trading system. It not only works on commodity, Bitcoin, everything. It works on every instrument, name it, Forex. Let me put it on gold, commodity. You can see so beautifully here it has been triggered. If it has been triggered over here, episodic pivot has been triggered over here, and it says no, now you are not going to take position. So here at least it is matching with. Many times RSI will not tell you the buy signal. That is the problem with the RSI. Consistency will not be there. If you change the time frame, it changes. Then it becomes very difficult for you to understand. Let me change the time frame to hourly. See, it is at the midpoint 50 level. How can you decide? But rolling pivot with conviction, it is saying that you should go long. There is no disparity in this. It has come already, but here positionally it is telling that it is above the pivot, rolling pivot. No selling, it is telling. You cannot go. See, still already rolling pivot, it is showing divergence over here. It has shown divergence over here. If you would have gone selling, you would have lost money. So this is the indicator, superior indicator with the presence of smart money, big money. You can take your trade with the rolling pivot. See, rolling pivot has been triggered and you are with conviction, you are on the trade. Smart money is entering, and if you change the time frame also on the 5 minutes, starting also it will give you, let me zoom it. Like that, every step you get the smart money, this one presents, and the rolling pivot. With the rolling pivot, see, if I draw a line at this rolling pivot, let us check the market here, rolling pivot, you could have gone long. You could have gone long. So beautifully you are entering into the trade. So with the comparison of, let me remove the RSI, no indicator, even if you use MACD or VWAP or anything, you will be left with confusion, no conviction. Here, with conviction, with the combination of my rolling pivot, you are entering into the trade exactly. You can see time also. Every day I've noticed in gold around 6:30 before the New York session starts, and with conviction you can enter into the trade. See, by signal, signal has been generated by because trend flipped. It was a short period, it was going down, trend flipped, and if you would have taken position around 137, 172 till night, till it showed exhaustion over here around 1140. 1140, it showed exhaustion and it has come down. So clearly you can see over here from 137, let me measure this, only in this session from evening 7 p.m. to this is 9:35, 2.5 hours. If you would have held 1079 points with conviction, you could have cashed in 10,000. It is a boon for working professionals who cannot trade on the Nifty. Many people, they start trading on the Nifty, they cannot make money because every day you won't get the money. Buying is difficult. Writing the option, it calls for a lot of money. If you have 1,25,000, with that money, you can buy the gold, even you can hold with that. It has told you, let me shift it to daily time frame, and I'll show you from where this gold has run up. See, it gave buy signal around a short period of lull. Uh, there is a buy signal has been generated with the episodic pivot. Big money, you have taken 122,869. 122,869 from here to here, 17,379 points, 17,000, that is 1,73,000 in this gold. See, if you would have held this position, if you would have invested on around 27th November, now December end, you would have cashed in 1,79,000 with the investment of 1,25,000. That's it. So you can trade in Bitcoin also. See, the Bitcoin, it is short trade. It clearly says it is going down. Since the month of October, there is no recovery in the Bitcoin month on month, October, November, December, the whole lot of December it is going sideways. There is an episodic pivot formed over here on 22nd December. We need to see what the episodic pivot. Now, at present, it is below the rolling pivot. Price is rolling below the rolling pivot. Something. There is already some sort of trend flip is there in this month, gone up, and a episodic pivot is formed, and if the trend flips, you can go long in this Bitcoin. A reversal you can anticipate with conviction if you start observing the Bitcoin with the help of the rolling pivot. You can do that. Some sort of it is going sideways. That's why when it went up, so this is the expansion from the, so if we take the low to the high, this is the low to the high expansion, and middle level midpoint is around 87,874. If the price starts moving above and climbing above the rolling pivot, already it is making an attempt, then a reversal you can anticipate in the Bitcoin in this month. So my indicator rolling pivot is why it is superior. It derives price from the, I mean, it doesn't act on the price, it derives balance from the price, and it rolls along with that. Rolls along with that, you can climb along with that. Climb along with that. Yes, friends. Nifty showed reversal on an intraday basis, 15 minutes. You could have rolled down along with that. You could have held the position till now, till Friday. The started from the Wednesday. Wednesday, you can see Wednesday, 1 p.m. Time also. Even Wednesday, 11:30, it started its down move. It is still under Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 3 days of down move. Already you can see no reversal we can see here. Some sort of reversal up move can be anticipated. You can mark those levels. These will become the resistance level. It will give you guidance. You can do that. So this is a very beautiful indicator, and trust me, friends, the more than 150 people have accessed my indicator. This indicator, they have become a profitable trader. They give me feedback that we are profitable, they are happy. They have got confidence. It is like a teacher. It teaches you. It teaches you the market structure. You can learn easily the market structure. So don't delay. If you want to get access to my indicator, this is a paid indicator. You can WhatsApp me on this number 98452 for the details. Only serious people, if they are interested, they can contact me. Otherwise, I don't need any false, fake people. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami, signing off.